Hello, everybody. Welcome to your lesson for Unit 4, Lesson 1. This information is in your grammar textbook, pages 88 to 95. Okay, in this lesson, we will look at subject and object pronouns, possessive adjectives and pronouns, and reflexive pronouns. So all different types of pronouns. Let's begin with subject and object pronouns. So, as a review, what is a pronoun? A pronoun takes the place of a noun or noun phrase, and this helps to reduce repetition. So look at this example. Elena enjoys driving. Elena uses Elena's car a lot. How does this sound to you? Bad, hopefully. Too many Elenas. We repeat Elena, Elena, Elena. This is why we use pronouns. Pronouns make it sound better. So it's better to say, Elena enjoys driving. She uses her car a lot. Okay, this is why we use pronouns, to avoid repeating the name over and over and over. So, as they're called subject pronouns, we use them for subjects. Very simple. So, Tom and I went on vacation together. Tom and I is the subject, okay? So instead of repeating Tom and I, we can say we. Tom and I went on vacation together. We went to Portugal. Your suitcase arrived. It is in your room. So your suitcase is the subject, so we use it. So as a quick review, what are the subject pronouns? Okay, I'm sure you all know them, but quick review. What are they? I, we, you, he, she, it, they. All right. These are the subject pronouns. Object pronouns are used as objects. Okay. They can be the object of a verb or the object of a preposition. So, I bought a new bike. Do you like it? So, it is not the subject, right? Because I, subject, bought, verb, a new bike is the object. So, I bought a new bike. Do you like it? This ticket is for Jose. Okay. Jose is the object of the preposition. So for is the preposition and then Jose. So we need an object pronoun. I bought it for him. Okay. So again, review. We know the subject pronouns, I, we, you, he, she, it, they. What about object pronouns? Me, us, you, him, her, it, and them. Okay. And you can remember these by using a preposition sometimes. So to me, to us, to you, to him, to her, to it, to them. Okay. Very good. Let's now look at possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns. Remember, possession is owning something. Like this is my pen or my house, his house. So use a possessive adjective before a noun to show that the noun belongs to someone or something. So whose thing is this? Joe bought his plane ticket yesterday. The dog pushed its bowl across the floor. Okay, so his and its are the possessive adjectives because they go with the noun, right? Plane. Whose plane ticket? His plane ticket. Whose bowl? Its bowl, the dog's bowl. So what are the possessive adjectives? Remember subject, we have I, we, you, he, she, it, they. Object pronouns, me, us, you, him, her, it, them. Possessive adjectives, my, our, your, his, her, its, and their. All right, so for example, my car, our car, your car, his car, her car, its car, their car. So use a possessive pronoun in place of a possessive adjective plus a noun. So instead of a possessive adjective, you can use a possessive pronoun. For example, you can use my bike. My bike is the blue one. Repetitive, right? Too many my bikes. It's better to say, you can use my bike. Mine is the blue one. Mine is a possessive pronoun. That's not your coat. Your coat is in the closet. Okay, how can we say this better? That's not your coat. Yours is in the closet. So, what are the possessive pronouns? Mine, ours, yours, yours, his, hers, its, theirs. Okay, so these are possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns can be a subject or an object. So, for example, I like your car, but mine is better. This is the subject, right? Mine is the subject. I found their keys, but I can't find ours. Ours is now the object for keys. So all of these possessive pronouns can be subjects or objects. Our car is nice, but look at theirs. It's amazing. Again, an example of a possessive pronoun as an object. Now, careful, okay? Remember, it's and its, they sound the same, but its is a possessive adjective. It apostrophe s is a contraction of it is or it has. So look at the difference. The team won its first game. Possessive adjective, no apostrophe. The sun is out. It's a great day to go to the park. So it apostrophe s is it is a great day to go to the park. So be careful with these two because they sound exactly the same. Also be careful with there, and there because they all sound the same. Their is a possessive adjective. There refers to a place, right? Here, there. And thy apostrophe re is the contraction of they are. So they found their coats, possessive adjective. I like to go there to do homework, place. They're going to the beach. They are. Okay, let's now look at reflexive pronouns. So you use a reflexive pronoun when the subject and the object of the verb are the same. For example, this is incorrect. I introduced me to the group. I introduced myself. So I, the subject, and myself, the object, same person. I introduce myself. So we have to use a reflexive pronoun. Reflexive means back to the same person. What are the reflexive pronouns? Well, we saw myself, ourselves, yourself, singular, yourselves, plural, himself, herself, itself, themselves. So here are some common verbs. These verbs are usually used with reflexive pronouns like I cut myself, she enjoyed herself, I feel sorry for myself, they hurt themselves, she takes care of herself. So we enjoyed ourselves at the party. Did you cut yourself on the broken glass? So you see the subject and the object are the same person. Then we use reflexive pronouns. And if you use by, so by plus a reflexive pronoun means alone or without any help. So I live by myself means I live alone. The TV turns off by itself means you don't press a button. It does it by itself without any help. Okay, that's enough for pronouns. Please do your classwork now. And as always, don't forget to turn it in on Canvas. Thank you.